Land title transfer question. How do I transfer a land title after buying a property? Answer: it involves several steps and requires specific documents to be filed with government agencies. Here's a breakdown of the process. 1. Prepare the necessary documents. Notarized deed of absolute sale DOAs. This document legally transfers ownership from the seller to you. It should be prepared by a lawyer and signed by both parties in front of a notary public. Transfer certificate of title TCT. This is the original title document for the property. You'll need the owner's duplicate copy. Tax declaration. Obtain a certified true copy of the latest tax declaration for the property, including both land and improvements. Tax identification numbers 10. You'll need the TINs of both the seller and buyer. Sworn declaration of no improvement. This is required for vacant lots or properties with no improvements. It should be signed by either the buyer or seller and attested by a notary public. Special power of attorney SPA. If someone other than the signatory on the deed of sale is handling the transfer, an SPA is required. If executed abroad, a certification from the Philippine consulate is needed. Location plan or vicinity map. This may be required if the zonal value cannot be determined. 2. File documents at the Bureau of Internal Revenue BIR Regional District Office BIRRDO. Submit the required documents to the BIRRDO where the property is located. Assessment of transfer taxes. A BIR representative will calculate the capital gains tax CGT and documentary stamp tax DST. The buyer and seller can agree on who pays these taxes. BIR forms. Complete 3 copies each of BIR Form 1706 CGT and BIR Form 2000 DST. Authorized Agent Bank AB. File the completed forms at the AAB or, if there is no AAB in the area, with the authorized city or municipal treasurer. 3. Obtain the certificate authorizing registration car. BIR clearance. After filing the documents, the BIR will issue a car or BIR clearance. Claim slip. You'll receive a claim slip with the claim date for the car. Documents released. On the release date, the car will be released along with other documents, including the original deed of sale, owner's duplicate TCT, original BIR forms, and copies of the tax declaration. For a transfer the title at the Registry of Deeds, new TCT. Present the required documents to the Registry of Deeds to obtain a new TCT with your name as the owner. Registration fee. Pay the registration fee. Required documents. Deed of absolute sale transfer certificate of title certificate authorizing registration tax clearance tax declaration. Receipts of capital gains tax, documentary stamp tax, tax clearance certificate, and transfer fee 5. Update tax declaration. Local assessor's office requests a new tax declaration in your name at the municipal or provincial assessor's office. Required documents. Deed of absolute sale transfer certificate of title transfer tax receipt tax clearance.